Hello everybody, here is video. I just decided to make some tutorial about how to switch your subtitle for non-Georgian English speakers. So there was a lot of requires about to put the subtitle on English language. So I decided to show you how to make this switch on this captions. Let's see. We can choose any video. So especially new, maybe last year, it seems that artificial intelligence, they can hear me better now, because it's about old videos there I could not switch on these subtitles like English version, because they cannot hear me, it seems good, well, like in my native language, Georgian language. Accordingly, this English translation, they cannot do this. So let's see. I know any video, like yes, there are lots of videos, yeah, and just start with newest one, yeah, like check what happens there. Yes, like this, yeah. I will just stop this and make bigger. Let's see. This is last video, yeah, and you have here like on these subtitles. This is closed now. Even you can see closed captions, yeah. But if you click on this, yeah, so you have their subtitles now. So it's this video. Even if I'm not doing any like special subtitles, artificial intelligence can do this instead for me. So just you need to know if there are different languages. You need to activate English captions language, because sometimes yeah, now I have just, if you have here different language, something I know, maybe maybe Georgian language, here you can go on settings. See, you see, yeah, here, like these settings, and click on it and go subtitles, and here you click, and you need first time, if you have non-English subtitles here, you're on a screen, you go auto translate, here click, and you need to choose, yeah, here I have English subtitles because I have already this English, but now let's say I will change my language, and let's see, here I can choose maybe I don't know, Spanish, or let's Russian, because I can understand if translation is good, yeah. So yeah, here is, let's see, Russian. So I can see this, even letters is in Russian language, and it goes. This I will check if translation is correct, like accurate. Yeah, it's okay. Not just precisely good translation, but it's okay. You can understand what happens there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, sometimes, yeah, like hook, they're no good translation for hook. Okay, like this, it's all. Yeah, so as you see, now let's switch. So when you want to change language, you go like, okay, let's see, you go to like these settings, let's see, settings, yeah, subtitles, and auto translate you need, and choose your needed language. That's all. Okay, let's see for another video. It's just, I'm not sure that artificial intelligence can do this for any video, so let's see for this one. Let's see. Here you need to activate first. Now it is not activated yet at all. Like CC, closed captions, yeah. So you need to click it. Yeah, it's now activated, yeah. And if you want different language, then it is shown. Go next. Like this is subtitles, and here is settings. Settings, and go here subtitles, and auto translate. And let's English, yeah. Let's. How? English. Yeah, like this. I think it's okay. Translation is okay. I think so. Like, yeah, it's okay. I think not too bad translation, but yeah. So let's see more oldest. I know, maybe 1 year ago or more older. Just about to check if it's okay. Let's see this one. Okay. I'm not sure that here is, because you feel, yeah, when I push here on CC, yeah, here it's not activated. I know, it's just about artificial intelligence, because even if I'm not doing by myself subtitles, some videos they have, but some of them they haven't. Okay, let's go and check. Maybe more older. Let's see this one. Okay, here I see, I know, yeah, here, yeah, let's see. Actually I cannot see now subtitles, but let's check this place. Stop. Like go here, settings, and auto translate. Yeah, it's already English auto translate, but I know I cannot see subtitles. Yeah, you cannot see, yeah. Let's go. Let's see. Yeah, I cannot see now for this video. I know this is problem really. Sometimes they said that if they are not so clear speech, then they cannot do like this original language subtitle. Accordingly, translate to another languages. Yes, but I'm not sure that I change my speech with one to another video. Just I think now artificial intelligence is more smarter and they make on new videos better job. I think so. Let's go older. Maybe yes, let's see this video. Yeah, here is yeah. Okay, I want to say that in some cases, some videos I just made by myself subtitles. So I think this is this case because it's very precise translation. So I can understand it's my yeah. It's very good translation. So it's not about. It is not about artificial intelligence job, it's my job. Okay, just another video, yeah, okay. Yeah, some videos, this is, yeah, where I make subtitles, actually I can do, but it takes time, and so, just not easy to make for all of them, these subtitles. Let's see for this. It was 2 years ago, okay, let's see what happens there. Yes, make bigger. Okay, stop. And here, let's subtitles, closed captions, and click on this. Yes, it works. And let's start. Yeah, I cannot see any subtitle. I'm just checking. Okay, it's for English. So make auto translate. Click on this. And in English, yeah. Let's see. Yes, let's see. Unfortunately, I cannot see any subtitle here. Yes. As I see, yeah. For older videos, there are no subtitles. Just in case when I am doing, yeah, it works. But artificial intelligence, they started just make some progress on maybe this year. So that's new videos. They have mostly a translation. Like let's see this one. Okay, stop and go on subtitles. Yeah, you see, yeah, this place like finger, and let's see English translation, and it goes. Yeah, very good. Yeah, it's good translation, I can say. Yeah, it's all. So you know now, if you want to translate, you go this option, yeah, click on it. If you need to see that red underline this place, so it is switch on, yeah, this. And if there's some different language, then you want to translate, then you go next one like this. It is settings, click on it, go subtitles and auto translate, and choose your native language. Here is a lot of languages, even Georgian language is here, my native language, and let's see, Georgian, G here. Yes. This is შემდეგ ერთი სვეტი მოგსვა ნიშნულზე და შემდეგი თვალი აქედანაც ან ორ სვეტს, ხო, სიმეტრიულად უნდა გქონდეს ყველაფერი. Yeah, it just repeats my speech. So translation will be same, like, yeah, it's all, yeah. So I hope that you will do your best and find these subtitles, no problem, will be there. Especially also I want to show you how to find some, if you are looking for some special like pattern, yeah, you go to not just video but playlist here, go, and here is more you know, some options you can find easier, like for decorations, for like clothes, and some for beginners here. Actually it is just about yeah, Georgian language, but maybe I need to add here like headline, like English version also, it will be easier for you. Here is macrame, here is for knitting here. This it was just one time I make some blanket big like crocheting by just hand without any hook, yeah, this was this. And here most important, it's about bags, yeah, handbags here, so you can find easier. Actually I should have here also some okay, it's just about slideshows, but maybe I delayed it. Okay, it's okay, yeah. If you go videos, then you can see it's latest one, popular, all this is, you know, I think. But about playlist, it's interesting, yeah. That's all. Yeah, I wanted to show you just for English speakers, or not English native speakers, but English is more international language, so most people can understand on this language, yeah. Okay. Hope that it will be helpful, and good luck. Have a good day. Bye.